The application that I choose to present today is Padlet. Padlet is an interactive discussion board for students to use within the classroom. The website that they will go to is padlet.com, as noted here in the search bar. Once you get into it, as the teacher, you will be able to create an account indicated by this icon here, and you will be able to then make a Padlet, or you could join a Padlet that is previously created. So for the purpose of this presentation, I will create a Padlet for my class. You have several different designs to choose from, just depends on what is most appropriate for your lesson that day. For the purpose of this, I will click Wall. Then you get to choose and select the wallpaper, color scheme, and any additional attributes that you've deemed fit. Once you're all set, you press Start Posting, and then you can share the link with your students. Then say the discussion question for the day is, how are you feeling? Students can then press this arrow pencil at the bottom. They'll be able to type in how they're feeling, and if they log into the Padlet and create an account, they can have it where their name is linked to their response. Or, without doing that, it creates an anonymous discussion board. So this is really beneficial in a lesson because it encourages participation of all students. This allows them to have an online format to discuss, but also when you choose to do it in an anonymous sense, the students are more comfortable with expressing their opinions and how they're feeling or whatever their thoughts are on the discussion question that day. Usefulness-wise, I believe this is very, very beneficial to the classroom. It provides increased awareness to different applications in the classroom. For instance, Padlet is not something I would have known had I not explored it in a class of my own. So getting to share an online discussion board explores instructional technology, it explores anonymity, and it explores being able to incorporate technology with discussions and classroom teaching.